I am going to go over with you on how to style a pair of Walmart leggings. Okay, let's say it's 8 o'clock at night, all the malls are closed, and even if they wasn't closed, you struggle with finding something super cute because maybe you wear a 2X and that stuff is quick to go. Well, I want to give you a quick solution from Walmart. Okay, I have a pair of leggings, and I already have a pair of leggings on. These are black leather. I don't know if they have them anymore. They're like a faux leather or whatever. I don't know if they have any more of them. I got these on clearance, y'all, so they was $6, okay? Even if they're not on clearance, you can run up in Walmart and find some cute leopard print, some cute plaids, some cute basics for like $8. So it's not real expensive either. So you didn't walk out the house in like a $16 outfit, to be honest with you. Now these leggings are from Time and True. Okay, one of my favorite brands from Walmart. And listen, I'm going to turn these leggings into a shirt, not just one shirt, but like 3-4 different shirts. Okay, so you can wear whatever style that you want to wear with your favorite pumps and be in a club like, girl, I am dressed to impress, and I think it looks decent. I don't think it looks like just thrown together. I think it looks well put together. So y'all, check me out and just follow these steps so that you can have you a real cute chic outfit for less than $20, okay? Okay, y'all, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these leggings from Time and True that I got, like I said, for $6 on clearance. And I got these mailed to me. They weren't actually in the store, but I don't know if they're in the store. I would just run through and see what all they have available. But y'all, we just gonna go ahead and try to see if we can cut the crouch out of these pants. So let's find the front. Let's turn these, let's fold them in the front, okay? And then we're gonna have the crouch sitting out the back as such, right? Try to get them as lined up, like the seams as lined up as possible. And then again, it really doesn't matter. I mean, you're just cutting the crouch out as much as you'd like to cut it out to make a shirt. So look, this is your shirt spot, right? So this is how much you got for the shirt. So you would much rather cut this way more than that way. You feel me? Because you don't want this all down here and now your titties is completely out when you just meant to show a little bit of cleavage. You know what I'm saying? So I want to stop here because I just want to, cut as much as I possibly can. And I know that I like off the shoulder blouses or shirts, tops, whatever you want to call it. So I'm just going to cut here and cut the crouch off right there. I think that's enough, okay? So y'all, I'm going for like 3 different looks. My favorite is going to be like the off the shoulder look. So look, don't this look like a shirt already? That looks like a shirt already to me anyway. But you see how that is lined up back there in the back? I don't know if it really matters, like if you don't really be paying attention to these little notches that are kind of off a little bit. But it's totally up to you if you want to like line it up. Line that shit up. Nah, if you want to line it up right, it's totally up to you. But see, I don't want to mess up either. Look, now I made a dip. So I'm going to just leave it alone. I'm going to leave it just like that. Because who better not be paying attention that close to you while you're out and about is other people. So don't even worry about it. So let's go ahead and try this on, y'all. I think this outfit is cute now. I do have heels to wear with it. Sometimes they're a little hard to get on. These are DKNY, y'all. I got them from Ross, I do believe. Yeah, I think I did get these from Ross. See, because I got my toes gel polished. They grip my toes, like the paint, I guess, is gripping against the heel. And it makes it hard to get on. But hold on, let me try it. Okay, I think I got it on. Cool. All right. Y'all see that? Ain't that cute? Hey. And then when you get tired, make sure you have these in your to-go bag or whatever bag that you're carrying. It should be small enough but big enough to carry like some flats, preferably like some ballet flats that can fold up. But these are pretty comfortable, to be honest with you. I think they have like a rubber sole. Yeah, they do. They have a rubber sole, so they're pretty comfortable. Let me show you another way that you can rock this top, okay? Hold on, guys.
All right, voice over me again because I lost sound by putting the microphone down, y'all. I'm getting the hang of this new mic, so don't worry. But y'all, this is the one arm way to wear the actual top, leggings, whatever you want to call them. I'm sorry, it's a one shoulder way. There's also a way you could do it with just one arm by tucking the other side in, but I did not go there. I just went ahead and showed you the one shoulder side. Now on this one, you can pin that sleeve to where it looks like a bow. I'm sorry, you can tie it to where it looks like a bow. I just used my ponytail holder and made it into like a ball. You can hang jewelry off of it. You can do whatever you want to do to make it look as sophisticated as you want it to look. To me, I have definitely seen outfits like this that's definitely giving baddie vibes, okay? Now, I wish I would have had my boots that I could wear with it because I would have been rocking it a different way. If you accessorize it, you can definitely get it a different way as well. You can even halter top this. I don't know why I didn't think about halter topping it or crisscross the sleeves around my neck. Would have been a dope way to do it as well. But either way, we did go ahead and get this, you know, in a cute, two different styles. I know I said that I was going to do 4 before. I only got 2 in, unfortunately, because I cut it a little bit too much, y'all. But I hope this is something that you think is cute. I will be in the club like, hey girl, what's going on? But yes, y'all, I really appreciate you watching the video for me. I hope you liked what I was putting down. You know that you can use several different leggings and check it out for yourself. Okay, y'all? Bye-bye.